In this video, you will learn how to install a Greenlite card reader in your model 3589 vending machine. You will need an 11/32 inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and your Greenlite kit. Before you start the process, make sure that your machine is powered off. Open the Greenlite kit and take out the card reader. Please read the instructions that came with your Greenlite kit to better understand your installation. Your new Greenlite card reader will go on a 3589 model right here. Disconnect the harness for your coin mechanism. The harness is located in the upper left of your coin mechanism. Follow the harness up and disconnect it by squeezing the tab. Next, remove the screw securing the coin chute. To help gain access to where you will be installing the card reader, use an 11/32 inch nut driver to remove the nuts underneath where you removed the coin chute. Then use a Phillips screwdriver or a nut runner to remove 2 screws at the bottom of the machine. To access the front of the door in order to install the card reader, remove the assembly out of the machine. Place your top hand on the coin mechanism and your bottom hand near the coin box to remove. You can now remove the filler plate so the card reader can be installed. Place the card reader through the hole and install the 11/32 inch nuts. Make sure the nuts are securely in place so the card reader cannot be pushed into the machine when customers are using their cards. Make sure the harness is free and not cut off by anything so it is not damaged. It is best to loop it through the bracket on the top of your coin mechanism. Next, reinstall the coin assembly. You can then tighten down the nuts near the coin box at the bottom. And back underneath where you will place the coin chute. Then find the coin mechanism harness from the top of the coin mechanism and connect it to the bill acceptor harness. Now that your card reader is installed, next learn how to install your Greenlite antenna. For more information, refer to the documents that came with the Greenlite kit and the Greenlite website. More technical support is available by contacting Vendnet USA.